Today in this video, we'll understand what is a distributor smart transaction link and how can you use the smart transaction link efficiently. A smart transaction link is a unique link generated for every empaneled Samco mutual fund distributor or a partner. All transactions executed using this smart transaction link get mapped to the respective ARN. Let's understand how it works. Distributor shares the smart transaction link with the investor. Investor clicks on the link and fills up all the required details. Investor completes the sign up and places the order. The transaction gets mapped to the distributor's ARN who shared the link. Now let's look at an example. Let's assume I am a customer and I receive an email from my distributor or a Samco mutual fund partner with this smart transaction link to invest in Samco ELSS tax saver fund. Now I clicked on this link and made an investment in the scheme. Now this transaction will automatically be linked to my distributor's ARN. Let's log into the distributor dashboard and check the transaction section. Let's understand how can a distributor or a Samco mutual fund partner generate their smart transaction link. To generate your customized smart transaction link, log into your distributor portal, enter your login credentials and log into your dashboard. On the top of the dashboard next to your name, you will find a blue circle. Click on it and select the second last option called Smart Transaction Link from the menu options available. Once you have clicked on the Smart Transaction Link menu, you will find a pop-up screen with your Smart Transaction Link. If you want to embed an EUIN with your Smart Transaction Link, just select this checkbox and choose EUINs from the drop-down available and then click on Generate Link. You can also click on Bulk Download Smart Transaction Links with all the EUINs embedded to download a CSV with all the links in case you have multiple EUINs. This is your smart transaction link. Now you can share this link with your investors to drive transactions. Now let's understand how to use your smart transaction link effectively. Smart transaction link is a powerful way to circulate your ARN embedded link with all of your investors on various social media platforms. Your current as well as new investors can use this link to invest in any schemes of Samco Mutual Fund. If you are a blogger or you run a YouTube channel or a WhatsApp broadcast service or let's say a Telegram group or any other platform, this link is very useful for you. Let's take an example of a WhatsApp broadcast. After you're logged into your WhatsApp on phone, tap on the three dots located on top of the right corner. From the drop-down list, select New Broadcast. Now select all your existing or new customers from your contact list and create a broadcast list. Once you have successfully created this list, you can type in your message and copy paste the link and hit the send button. This way you will be able to easily circulate your smart transaction link with your customers. Now let's see some more ways that you can use your smart transaction link. You can select your clients from your phone's contact list, create a group and send an SMS containing this link. If you have a social media page or an account like Facebook, Instagram or Twitter, etc., you can share this link as a post and add it in the caption. If you are a blogger, you can add this link in your article for your readers to invest in Samco mutual fund schemes. Let's say if you run a YouTube channel, you can add this link in the description box of your videos. Likewise, there are numerous ways in which you can circulate your smart transaction link in any and every online social media platform. With this, we've come to an end of this video tutorial. If you wish to connect with us, you can call us or write to us on the details visible on your screen.
Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme-related documents carefully.